welcome to Villa Joseph Marie High School's virtual open house. I am Stephanie McCarthy, the Director of Mission and Ministry. On behalf of our Sisters of St. Casimir, I would like to extend a welcome from them as well to all of you, and again, a thank you for being here with us. I'm going to share with you a little bit about what we do in Mission and Ministry. First and foremost, we have prayer and liturgy every single day. There is a morning prayer over the announcements, as well as your class periods will always start off with a prayer. We have a school-wide liturgy or prayer service in our beautiful Performing Arts Center monthly, so it's a chance for us to gather together as a community of believers and celebrate that together. We also offer on Wednesday mornings an optional prayer service in our chapel that is led by our students or staff or faculty members, giving everyone a chance to lead a prayer. We also offer service opportunities all year round. Weekly we have trips to a nursing home, Twining Village, where our girls engage in bingo and craft activities with the residents there. We also go to a place in Philadelphia called Blessed Saranelli Community, where our students make food and serve that food to the guests at Saranelli House. We do both of those activities on a weekly basis. If students are looking for more service opportunities, we then have trips that are overnight. We have a junior immersion experience for our junior class, a trip to Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania yearly, that is a walking in the footsteps of our foundress, Mother Maria, for all grade levels. We also have trips to Chicago to be with our sisters and community there, to learn a little bit more about our school's mission and to serve with them. And we go to Haiti twice a year on an international service trip. If girls are interested, if you're interested in retreats, don't worry, every single year you're able to participate in a class retreat, a chance to grow closer to God, to get to know yourself a little bit better, as well as get to know your classmates in community. If girls are looking for more opportunities in that area, we offer about 6 optional retreats a year that anyone can sign up for. We have art retreat and nature retreat, pause retreats, and plenty of other opportunities to grow in faith and to grow in community. All of our experiences in mission and ministry are student-led, so we have about 150 leadership positions each year. Girls can apply for them and they can really grow in their faith, they can grow in their leadership ability, as well as getting to know themselves all along on this journey of high school. It's great to be with all of you. I hope to meet you in person one day. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, Stephanie McCarthy, my contact information is on the Villa website. I hope that you're well and I hope that you stay healthy. Have a great day.